I have finally made my first foreign client, and almost after 3 months of drought, I have finally started to earn again. And all the credit, my friend, goes to simple but relentless actions like sending outreach emails, follow-up emails, plus a bit of faith with that as well. So I was sending this third follow-up email to this particular prospect, and I was just about to send the last one as well because I was not getting response, and suddenly I got the response. I got notification, and he was asking about the pricing and all. And when we talked more, he said that he needed 5 thumbnails done within a week, and it was amazing. You could see the response. Yeah. And you know the funny thing is कि I was having that intention कि exams खत्म हो जाने के बाद my first initiative should be to join gym. And I was so much into that, but the problem was that actually me and my brother were kind of struggling regarding the fees, the gym fee, and it was not just about me, as I told you, that it was for both of us. We both had to go and join gym, and we were not able to arrange fees because, as I already told you in one of the video where I was totally shut down for a few months, and because of that I was not able to earn a single dime. And then this particular project pops up, and it felt like so much amazing. And believe me, it felt kind of a blessing sent directly from heaven to me. And we joined gym, and that is the best part. Okay, it felt amazing, but not all the part of the story is bright. Sooner I started to compare myself. I started to compare myself with those people who are already making thousands of dollars online, and my win started to look so much insignificant to me. And लोग कहते हैं ना कि comparison is the thief of joy. And in the last video as well मैंने इस चीज़ के बारे में बात किया था, where we discussed कि how we have to appreciate our small wins and our small actions. And this was the time कि वो चीज़ मैं खुद पर भी apply करूँ. So I sat down and reflected. Here I am, a person who once never thought कि I would earn online, I would be able to get something. And when I got into the minute details, like me having that conversation with a person who is sitting in a different country, in a different time zone, and me earning from there, it looks so important to me. It looks so much significant to me right now, where I started to reflect, where I started to see the truth, the way that I have worked, and it was amazing. See, my intention this time is very simple. I am trying to retain this client, because पिछले बार I did the same mistake. I was not able to retain this client and I lost it. So this time, not trying to commit the same mistake, trying to retain the client, plus trying to provide exceptional result as well. Okay, and joining gym and building a good physique is not the best investment a man could make, but also in my case, it is the kind of thing that is we should call it a blessing in disguise. Why? Because it would push me for the upcoming months, because I have to arrange gym fees. It's not sure I would be able to retain this client, so I would be in pressure that you have to arrange the upcoming month fees and all that. So ultimately I would be in pressure, and that is the good thing for me. So guys, this is the small and humble part of the story. It's a small win, and I really wanted to share this with you. Time लग गया वीडियो बनाने में, sorry for that, but this is the thing. So in the upcoming video, I would be sharing about the follow-up email strategy that I have used to get this client, and we will talk about it. Till then, I wanted to say that please appreciate yourself, appreciate your small win, because every small win is a brushstroke to the canvas of your future masterpiece. Okay, till then, smile and enjoy.